What if I told you this simple $1.5 bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide sitting in your medicine cabinet can save you hundreds of dollars in dealership service bills, detailing sprays, and heavy rust converters? And no, I am not talking about pouring it into your engine, fuel tank, or radiator. Please don't do that. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizing agent, and when used correctly, it can help with certain cleaning and sanitizing jobs. In this video, we are going to uncover 5 incredible hydrogen peroxide car hacks that could potentially save you thousands of dollars in car repairs. Let's dive in. Hack number 5, restore oxidized headlights yellow. Oxidized headlights don't just look terrible, they block up to 50% of your nightlight output. Commercial restoration kits cost $50, but you can break down that yellowed UV layer using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Here is how to restore your oxidized headlights using hydrogen peroxide. Step 1. Tape off the paint surrounding your headlight with painter's tape so you don't scuff your clear coat. Step 2. In a small cup, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of peroxide until it forms a thick paste. Step 3. Apply the paste generously across the lens. The baking soda provides microabrasion, while the peroxide chemical reaction weakens the oxidized outer plastic layer. Step 4. Scrub firm, medium pressure circles with a microfiber pad for 2 to 3 minutes per headlight. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly with clean water, wipe dry, and seal it with wax or UV spray so it stays clear. Boom! Crystal clear lights in 2 minutes. Hack number 4. Deep clean plastic trim. Over time, dashboard panels, center consoles, door panels, and other plastic trim accumulate body oils, sunscreen residue, food grease, nicotine film, and dust. These contaminants prevent interior protectants from bonding properly and can leave surfaces looking dull or streaky. Professional detailers know that proper surface preparation is responsible for most of the final appearance, and cleaning thoroughly before applying protectants often produces dramatically better results. But here, hydrogen peroxide can work as a game changer for you. Follow these steps to use hydrogen peroxide for your plastic trims. Step 1. Lightly dampen a microfiber towel with 3% hydrogen peroxide instead of spraying it directly onto the dashboard. Step 2. Wipe one small section at a time and pay special attention to textured plastic where dirt tends to collect. Step 3. Use a soft detailing brush to loosen grime trapped inside crevices, air vent slats, and around buttons. Step 4. After cleaning, wipe the surface with a dry microfiber towel to remove any remaining moisture. Step 5. Once the trim is completely dry, apply your preferred UV interior protectant or plastic dressing. Avoid using peroxide on leather, suede, glossy piano black trim, touchscreen displays, or instrument clusters because these surfaces require specialized cleaners. Regular cleaning every month helps preserve your interior while reducing fading, cracking, and discoloration caused by accumulated contaminants. Hack number 3. Restore factory black finish of tires. Most people think brown tires are just covered in dirt, but that's not the real culprit. Your tires undergo a natural process called blooming, where protective anti-ozonant chemicals migrate to the surface to shield the rubber from UV rays and ozone. As these chemicals oxidize, they leave behind that ugly brown film that makes even a freshly washed car look neglected. The good news is that a quick spray of hydrogen peroxide, followed by a scrub with a grease-cutting dish soap, breaks down that stubborn oxidation layer in minutes and restore your tire sidewalls to a deep, factory black finish. Here is to use hydrogen peroxide for your tires. Step 1. Hose down the tire and wheel assembly with water to wash off loose mud. Step 2. Spray 3% hydrogen peroxide generously over the sidewall and raised white lettering. Step 3. Add 2 sprays of degreasing dish soap directly onto your scrubbing brush. Step 4. Scrub the tire sidewall in circular motions using a stiff nylon tire brush for 1 to 2 minutes until a dark brown foam develops. Step 5. Flush the tire with high-pressure water from a hose to rinse away suspended grime and oxidized anti-ozonants. Rinsing reveals a factory-fresh matte black rubber finish and brilliant white lettering that creates the ideal surface preparation for tire dressings to bond effectively and last up to twice as long. Step 6. Allow the tire to air dry completely to inspect the jet black finish before applying your preferred tire shine product.
Hack number 2. Remove organic residue from wiper blades.
Most people replace windshield wipers every year without realizing that dirt, pollen, bug residue, bird droppings, tree sap, and road grime gradually build up on the rubber blades. This contamination causes streaking, squeaking, skipping, and reduced visibility during heavy rain. Industry studies suggest that properly maintained wiper blades can often last several months longer than neglected ones, saving money while improving driving safety. One of the simplest yet most effective cleaning methods uses ordinary hydrogen peroxide. Here is how to perform this hack. Step 1. Lift the wiper arms away from the windshield. Step 2. Inspect the rubber edges for cracks or tears. Step 3. If the blades are still in good condition, then dampen a microfiber cloth with 3% hydrogen peroxide and carefully wipe the entire length of each rubber blade several times. You'll often notice black residue transferring onto the cloth. That's accumulated dirt and oxidized rubber. Continue wiping until the cloth comes away clean. Step 4. Rinse the blades with water. Step 5. Now dry the blades with another clean microfiber towel. Step 6. Clean the windshield thoroughly before lowering the wipers back into place. This simple maintenance routine helps restore smoother wiping performance, reduces streaking, and may delay the need for replacement. Hack number 1. Lift floor mat salt and ground in dirt. Those ugly white salt stains on your floor mats are more than just an eyesore. They're packed with corrosive road salt that slowly dries out carpet fibers, traps moisture underneath, and can even accelerate rust in the vehicle's floor pan over time. Simply vacuuming isn't enough because the salt crystals become tightly bonded deep within the synthetic carpet. A simple spray of 3% hydrogen peroxide can make a dramatic difference. Here is how to perform this hack. Step 1. Vacuum the floor mat thoroughly to remove loose, dry dirt and loose debris. Step 2. Spray undiluted 3% hydrogen peroxide liberally over the white salt rings until the carpet fibers are wet. Step 3. Scrub hard with a stiff bristle carpet brush for 60 seconds to break down stiff mineral crusts. Step 4. Let the peroxide effervesce and bubble for 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, the gentle effervescent action helps loosen stubborn mineral deposits and lifts deeply embedded salt crystals toward the surface, making them much easier to remove. Step 5. Finish by extracting the dirty solution with a wet/dry shop vacuum for the best results. Once the mat is completely dry, you'll notice a cleaner appearance, softer carpet fibers, and significantly reduced white salt residue. That's all for this video. Before you grab a bottle of hydrogen peroxide and start cleaning your vehicle, remember that not every automotive surface is suitable for peroxide. Always use the standard 3% solution, never industrial strength peroxide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.